It's Friday! It's Friday, and we're live. It's Friday, and we are live, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Adam, let's give us the introduction, Adam. All right, give us the introduction, Adam. What's going on? I'll let you
Absolutely. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it another week. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler, and you are officially cruising with the case handler. It's a little show that we do every day during the week and replay on the weekends, just to kind of let you know who I am, what I do, and how I do it. Again, my name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler, partner of Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico. I head up the personal injury department at the firm. I've been practicing personal injury law here in New York and New Jersey for 17 years. I've been on this radio station, 93.5 FM, since September of 2005, the longest running, most celebrated attorney on 93.5 FM. And I'm here to help you and your family if, God forbid, you're ever in an accident. Here to help you get money for your time out of work, for your medical bills, and, of course, your pain and suffering. You only got one chance to get it right, and that's why we say one chance, one choice, one case handler. I welcome you to the show. We are happy to have you. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're safe. Your Squeeze is doing the flexing right now. And you know how I know he's doing the flexing? Because I'm watching him do it. And for those of you listening on 93.5 FM, you know, you hear us with your ears, but you could be seeing us with your eyes. All you got to do is check out the case handler on Facebook and Instagram. Be linked to my practice, and you'll see with your own very eyes the exceptional legal work that we're doing. I actually got a notification, Squeeze. I just hit 9,300 followers on Instagram. We are so close to 10,000. It's unbelievable. I cannot wait to hit that mark. Truly, a credit to you folks out there that have embraced me. I've certainly embraced you back, and we've done some big things together, big things indeed. So without further ado, I would like to introduce my co-pilot, my brother, somebody that I broadcasted on this radio station for, since September of 2005. Squeeze, what's up, man? Or shall we say Wagwan King?
Wagwan big boss, Wagwan top man, Wagwan top personal injury attorney, Wagwan big time attorney for the Caribbean community, Wagwan Irie lawyer, Wagwan Superman, you're the man. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Jamaican Adam Handler on the station, of course.
Is it Jamaican or Hebrew?
Hebrew is okay, but I call you a Jamaican, all right? You know,
with great pride.
You're Jewish, and you've been predominantly or primarily, helping the Caribbean community more than other communities. You do help all communities. You have no biases, but I am very thankful because you have been doing more for the Caribbean community than most people out there I know that's in your capacity as a personal injury attorney. And listen, I am that guy, okay? I will not be biased. I will not be racist. I will not be one-sided, aka biased. I want the best for my community, regardless of their race, creed, color, religion, and even sexual orientation. I want the best for my community. And Adam Handler, you are the best, man. Okay? You are the best attorney for the Caribbean community. And that's what the Caribbean community needs. When it comes to personal injury, the only attorney that they truly need is the case handler. And there's only one. And I'm proud to be a part of your journey for the past 17 years. I, David Squeeze Anarchy of the Link Up Media group of companies that have been on the station for 25 years plus. I am extremely proud to be a part of your journey. Why I'm acting like this, being so elated and with all the noise in the background? You just told me that you turned down a multi-million-dollar settlement for a client, of which you can't go in details because, of course.
Yeah, we can't talk about it.
Right.
But you're right.
But in general, you keep turning down these freaking insurance companies that, hey, Mr. Handler, can we extend to you X for your client? No, my name is the case handler. I rep my clients. No, I cannot do that. My client deserves more.
Well,
I love
that happened last week. We were talking about it. Everything kind of happened in real time on this show because we had, I think it was last Wednesday it was last Wednesday. We did the show in the morning. I told you that Allstate Insurance Company had offered $900,000 to my client. I said, thanks, but no thanks. Walked away from the 900 grand. 2 days later, I get a call from Allstate. Same insurance adjuster. They've reassessed their position and are willing to offer the full amount of insurance, $1,250,000. So listen, a lot of lawyers would have accepted that 900. A lot of lawyers probably would have pushed that 900,000 on the client just to be done with it. But you know what? We knew it wasn't the right amount. It wasn't the full compensation she deserved, and we were willing to wait another 3 years. And I said that to my client that day. I said, we rejected the 900,000. I just need one thing from you. I need you to be patient. Let me do my thing. Thankfully, we didn't have to wait 2 years. We had to wait 2 days, but $1,250,000. She had one chance to get it right. Again, Squeeze, one chance, one choice, one case handler. Yes, I walked away from a extraordinarily high settlement offer. It was actually really funny because we were in court, which is very, very rare these days, but this is a very serious case. We were in court, client was there, and we were talking in the hallway waiting for the judge to call us back into the room. And he's like, yeah, I was listening to you and Squeeze last week, and you were telling everybody about a big case that you had on next week. And I'm like, dude, that's your case. I was talking about your case right there. And we all got a laugh because, he's part of that community. He was listening to this show. He was hearing me talk about the $1,250,000 settlement. And then he was hearing me talk about another big case. That was his case. So the fact that he heard it, that's just, I love it. I love what we're doing here. I love this community. I love what we've been able to do for this community. Over $140 million settled for 93.5 FM listeners, regardless, of course, of immigration. Another funny story. So I have those top of the hour commercials in which you hear that song, money, 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 money. And then I'm talking, I'm your case handler, one chance, one choice. We were in the car yesterday. I was with my daughter driving her to dance class, and the commercial came on because we do listen to 93.5 FM in the car sometimes. And she's like, Daddy, that's your commercial. She was like, oh my God, that's amazing.
You're a celebrity.
Right, celebrity. I don't know what that, but she was really, really excited. I was so proud. It's all good. Listen, Squeeze, don't take my word for it. Take the words of those individuals that never expected they get into an accident. And I do have that video, as promised, we can load up today, that true life success story for Dell, the $90,000 Judges Award. Insurance company initially told us to go screw ourselves. Then they offered 20 grand. We turned it down. Judge awarded 90. So whenever you're ready, I can play that video with the audio.
Absolutely. All right, so gear up that video, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, if you're just joining us with all the noise in the background, I'm outside on a patio here broadcasting live with my top personal injury attorney and dear friend who has been taking care of the Caribbean community, like I noted, for 17 years. $140 million in settlement. He's no joke. He's a shark. He's a beast. He'll go for the juggler in court for you on your behalf. And the number that I want everybody tuning into this radio station, 93.5 FM, I don't care what platform you're listening to, every one of us need to store this number. And I know many of you are saying, Squeeze, but we're not getting an accident. We're not getting no accident. We're not getting a construction accident, no bus accident, no bike accident. We're not trip on the sidewalk. We're not going to slip and fall. No. I tell you this, ladies and gentlemen, as long as you're alive, guess what? Accidents will happen. It's just when. I want for you to store this number in your device. The number right now for everybody tuning in to store for Adam Handler is there's only one case handler. Is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Once again, whether you are out there at home, going to work, coming from work safely, please do store this number, 844-774-3529. Why? Because this man is kicking ass like you know what. All right. Well, let's go to some. Let's go to a video.
Please, you made a good point. Accidents are going to happen, and you can never prepare for an accident. You can only prepare for your response. So the question we have every day, I ask you folks, what is your response going to be when disaster strikes? I hope your response is the same response Dell had We'll get to her video right now because Dell's response was the case handler, and we brought it home for her. So let's check this out. Just confirm you can hear it.
Absolutely.
Hello, everybody out there. This is Adam Handler, your case handler. Another big day here. I got Dell sitting to my left. Hey, Dell.
Hi, Adam.
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm happy today.
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm going on with my check.
Oh, today is payday. It's not just Monday, it's payday.
That's right.
Dell was in a serious accident many years ago. It was a case against Geico. After we filed the case, they sent me a very nice letter saying, for these reasons, we are unable to make payment to you. So this is a letter that Geico sent to me saying, your client is responsible for the accident. We ain't paying you anything. And guess what? Justice was served because we recently received a judge's award in the amount of $90,000.
Yeah.
$90,000 tax-free to Dell. She's picking up her check today. Look at that head shake. She's feeling good. Speaking of head shakes, look at that. The case handler bobblehead. There you go. So we're all shaking our head.
Yeah.
Happy. Listen, Dell, can you just do me one quick favor? Can you just let everybody out there know, how we handled your business here, what you thought of the case handler team, and would you ever recommend this?
Yes. This team, they were so efficient. They were family friendly. I mean, they called me even through the pandemic. The staff call and check in with me to see, if I needed anything, see if everything was going. And they handled this case very professionally and diligently, So I'm so very, very happy that I went with this team, and I will recommend this team to anybody, no matter what type of accident that you are in. Contact the man, Adam Handler.
Listen, results are all that matters. There's a lot of attorneys out there, but if you want what you believe to be the best possible attorney fighting for you and your family, because you got one chance to get it right, and that's why they say, do you know that this is what they say these days? One chance, one choice, one case handler. Dell knew the difference. Dell made the right choice, and Dell's walking home with a $90,000 settlement today.
Yes. So God be the glory. Thank God for the man. Man with a plan.
Who's the man with the plan?
Adam Handler.
You trust and believe that.
My baby okay? She's the appropriate size for her dates. Is she?
Oh, yeah, yes. I'm sorry.
Oh, bad. You're still playing more testimonials over there, man. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Dell. As you can see on the screen, if you are watching Facebook, I put up something that says $90,000 for Dell. Hashtag, who did that? The case handler.
I did that.
844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Make no mistake, folks. I don't care what whom and anyone says on the station, off the station, on billboards, in newspaper, wherever. He is the best. I can say it. He can't. He's the best personal injury attorney that has blessed this community. You heard it from Dell, a client, and heard it from many others. Store the phone number, 844-774-3529. There's no one better than him on 93.5 or off of 93.5. 844-774-3529. So if you're with another attorney,
Good luck.
I feel sorry for you.
Good luck.
It's like me waking up in a nightmare realizing that I was not a Jamaican.
God forbid. Are you kidding me?
God forbid.
I don't think I'd like you nearly as much if you weren't Jamaican.
I don't know what I'd do. It would be a nightmare, But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I am David Squeeze Anike, and I'm here with the leading personal injury attorney in the nation, dubbed by yours truly, Squeeze. We're on 93.5 WVIP FM. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram, on YouTube, in the reruns, in the retrospect. Also, later on, we're going to be on in the evenings at 6:03. Make sure you check it out with DJ Nico, of course, right here at 93.5. And do check every program. Adam Handler is in there one way, shape, or another, because we want you, the listening community, viewing community, to know that he's truly the best. And we want for you to have access to it. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but obviously and evidently, you are the ultimate. All right? So, Adam, thanks a lot, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have yourself an amazing weekend, man. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do the outro properly and professionally right here as we wrap it up, and have yourself a great weekend.